10 kinds of funding any startup can get. What can a startup do? Fortunately, there are options. Any startup can get many of these. The idea is to play to your strengths and the company's strengths. There is funding to match. Unsecured financing. It can provide some of the highest loan amounts for startups. You can get 0% business credit cards with stated income. No financials are required. These will report to the business CRAs. You can build business credit at the same time. This will get you access to even more money without a personal guarantee. You can usually get a loan of 5 times the amount of your highest revolving credit limit account now. This is up to $150,000. It is the highest amount of financing you'll typically see for a startup. It is easily 5 times what you could get on your own when applying for cards. You can get cash out of this program as well. There will be no impact on your personal credit with this type of financing. You need a 700 credit score or a guarantor with good credit to get an approval. With good personal credit, you can get unsecured credit cards with a personal guarantee. With good business credit, you can get unsecured credit cards without a personal guarantee. Unsecured credit cards with good personal credit. Approval amounts run from $10,000 to $150,000. There is no consumer reporting, but there is some business reporting. You'll need excellent personal credit with open revolving credit, low inquiries, approval amounts equal to current limits, 0 to 25% APR, 0% for 6 to 18 months, 9% success fee. Unsecured credit cards with good business credit. Approval amounts run from $10,000 to $50,000. These will report to the business CRAs. It'll take 6 months to build a credit profile. Personal credit is not used for pre-qualification. Approval amounts equal to current limits, 0 to 25% APR, 0% for 6 to 18 months. Let's recap. A startup usually can't get a conventional loan, but there are several other types of financing they can get. Try unsecured financing or credit cards, or secure a loan with collateral. Use securities, a 401k, or accounts receivable as collateral. Inventory and equipment can also serve as collateral. Build business credit because it will help your company for years to come. More options are SBA startup loans and crowdfunding if you have a product which will get donors excited. There are more startup loans, sometimes from VC companies. Also check your alma mater and consider trying for government grants. Contact us today to learn more about 10 kinds of funding any startup can get.